From FX Empire, this is Christopher Lewis looking at the crude oil markets for the upcoming third, which is Labor Day in the U.S., so keep that in mind. Crude oil markets, the WTI market continues to chomp around with nowhere to be, and I think part of it is that traders are thinking more about the weekend, and also the Canadian talks with the Americans seems to be throwing this market around as well, which is, I think, probably more an old school thought process, considering that although the United States imports a lot of crude from Canada, the reality is that it imports a lot less than it once did. So, whatever. At the end of the day, we find ourselves between 69.5 and 70.5. And until we get some type of resolution between the United States and Canada, we may not break out of this. I'd trade CFD markets. I wouldn't be bothered with the futures. Trust me, I've been trading the futures on and off for 2 or 3 days for my employer, and it's been a nightmare. So over here in the Brent market, you can see much of the same. 77 and a quarter, maybe 78, 75. Same reactions. I think eventually we go higher in both of these markets, but we need the dollar to calm down first. That would be a big help, and we need some type of certainty with some trade agreements.